everyone. My name is Camila Venegas. I am from Miami, Florida. I am the third of 4 girls, so we're a family of 6. So this is me right here. This is my mom, my younger sister, my second oldest sister, and my oldest sister. And this is her husband, and this is my dad. Something interesting about me, I guess, was that since my second semester, so this is my 4th, since my second semester, I've been in the Polynesian dance group. This is me right here. It's actually been super fun. Learning the moves and, learning how to move your body in that way. Because it's very difficult. There's a discipline that goes to it because you're controlling, your hips, and while you're moving your hips, your upper body has to be completely still. So it's actually pretty fun. Since my first semester, so for 3 semesters now, I've been teaching Latin dance on campus, Friday nights from 8 to 11. And it's been really fun because I can bring some of the culture from Miami up here to Idaho. And so it's really nice when you have people that really want to learn to dance, to impress their girlfriends, to impress their boyfriends. My family's Chilean, and I like to consider myself Chilean. I like to cook a lot of dishes, listen to the music, dance the traditional dance. This is my baby niece. She'll be a year next month. She's been such a blessing in our lives, and we're just happy to have her here with us. Something I am looking forward to get out of this class is to be able to see all of these, I'm so sorry, to be able to see how these influences in our development affect not just us, but everyone around us. Because not everybody is the same. And I feel like we could kind of implement these in the future when we have our family, or now if you have a family now. Because growing up, a lot of my friends listen to rap and reggaeton, which is a Spanish, I guess, version of rap. And so I grew up listening to it too, but the main music that I'd listened to was Phil Collins, Queen, the Bee Gees, the Beatles, the Beach Boys, and it's all because of my dad, because that's how he raised us with that type of music. So yeah, we could kind of implement these stuff that we're learning in our lives. And I think it's gonna be super fun. And well, yeah, this is me. Thank you for listening.